Hey guys, so I'm in my school parking lot right now and I'm about to hit a car. Today's video is a little after school routine, you know, my night routine following a day at school. Oh, I just hit the curb. Right now I'm going to my mom's house to get all of my stuff packed up because I'm staying at my I look absolutely terrible right now. I've been sick all week and it's Thursday right now. This is my first day back at school literally all week, so I missed Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. I went to the doctor and got tested for like COVID and strep and it all came back negative, so it's definitely just like a bad virus, but I have been literally so sick. I'm back in the car. I just ate some chili that my mom made. It was so good. It's not really dinner time yet, but I'm always starving right after school, so I usually come home and either eat a snack or I'll just eat like a meal and then eat a snack later, like around dinner time, or just eat 2 meals. It's actually significantly later. It's like 6 o'clock right now. After I left my mom's, I stopped over to a friend's house quick to drop something off, and then I came here and I've just kind of been chilling, but it's time to actually start doing stuff because it's getting late. I just laid in bed for a while and watched a podcast, and then I did my makeup for whatever reason. I just didn't look too hot. I'm going to go ahead and clean my room right now, which kind of sucks because I just cleaned my other room and it took me like a decent amount of time, and I know that this is going to take me even longer. For the rest of my night to be productive, I need my room to be clean. That's like my number one tip. To be productive and motivated, you have to have a clean space. Okay, I'm literally in the middle of cleaning my room, but I just looked out my window and like the air looks pink. Oh my god, wait. It's so freaking pretty. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. I'm looking to do something. So I have this sweatshirt on. Okay, let me explain what I just did because you're probably a little confused about why I just sat on that little window over there. Some girl that like I know makes sweatshirts. She has sent me like a couple now and I'm absolutely obsessed with them, and this one says, "Text me when you get home." It's probably gonna be backwards. It's very cute and I want to take an Instagram story in it. So hey guys, future Bailey quickly popping in here. I'm about to wrap up my night and take a nice shower. However, I wanted to pop in here and talk to you guys about the razor that I'm about to use. This razor right here is made by the brand Billie, and thank you so much to Billie for sponsoring today's video. Billie is an online razor subscription plan that actually puts women first. I'm literally not lying to you guys when I say that this is probably the best quality women's razor I've ever tried. It just glides over your skin and it leaves it so smooth. I think the reason it leaves me so smooth is the fact that it's actually encased in charcoal. Charcoal is a great detoxifier and it gives you a great shave every single time. The blades on this razor are actually spaced farther apart, which prevents all that like clogging from happening. We all know that feeling. It's so annoying. You have to like sit there under the faucet and like, so this makes it super easy. I'm pretty prone to razor burn pretty much everywhere. Since using Billie's razors, I seriously get get like no nicks, no cuts, no bumps, no nicks, none of it, none of it. I've been trying to buy like men's razors for the last couple of months thinking that I was like gonna save money and get a smoother shave when it was kind of the case for a little bit, but then I realized men's razors are not like contoured to shave a leg, where Billy's razors are perfectly contoured and designed to get the smoothest shave every single time. If this razor is so amazing, it's gotta cost something, right? Nope, it literally will cost you half the price of a drugstore men's razor. You guys can get Billy's super affordable starter kit that comes with 2 razor blades and then a little magnetic shower thingy that you like, it's actually so cute. It's a little mount for your shower wall. There's a little magnet in the razor right here and then it just boop, sticks to the wall. Like I mentioned, it is a subscription service, but don't worry, it's not like you're locked in, you get like the same thing every single month, you're like locked into paying this huge fee. That's not it. Billy's subscription is so flexible. You can increase or decrease the frequency of your shipping whenever you may need it. And the best thing is it just comes straight to your door, free shipping. All you guys need to do to get started with Billy's starter kit is click the link in my description box. That's literally it. Click the top link in my description box and you got yourself a razor that costs half of what you'd pay for a men's drugstore razor, and you get free shipping directly to your doorstep. You literally can't go wrong. Let's get back into the video and you guys will see this little baby in action later. It's like 7 o'clock now and my room is pretty clean. I didn't plan on like deep cleaning or like organizing it or anything, but I just got it like tidied up. So this whole area was kind of a mess, and then this whole area was a huge mess. These need to go down and get like recycled, and then I have my laundry basket that needs to be brought downstairs as well. My whole vanity is cleared off, which is good, and it's looking better. It's looking better. Like I said, it's a little bit after 7 o'clock right now and I'm going to go ahead and do some homework. I don't have that much, but I have some. So I finished my homework and it's literally 8:50 right now. And I didn't even finish my homework. Like, I did not even do everything on my little agenda to-do list. I just realized I never brought my laundry down and there's clothes that I want to wear in there tomorrow. So I'm gonna run those down to the laundry room. This fat pimple on my face. We need to like shower and do all of that still. I'm gonna go downstairs, put these in the washer, and then I'm probably gonna eat something, but if I decide to do that, I will take you guys with me. I just don't want to take you to the laundry room because it's I need to take a shower and I'm going to, but I'm trying to figure out if there's stuff I want to do before I shower, because after I shower I just like to like lay in bed and like be done, you know? I think that Hello you guys, I'm finally just sitting down, you know, ready to wind down, go to bed really quickly because it got late so quickly. I don't know how. I've been trying to go to bed before 11, like put my phone down at 11. It hasn't worked yet. I haven't done it yet, but it's usually around like 11:30. Right now, we're getting close. We're getting really close and I still got stuff to do. So we're going to go ahead and put a pimple patch on my baby girl right here because she's poking out. She wants to play. Curologies are my favorite. They're the emergency spot patches, and I'm gonna go ahead and put one of them on her. I'm using my tried and true Ordinary serum. I love this serum so much. I love niacinamide to begin with. This is my other favorite niacinamide serum. It's the Natrium one. So I just put this on my face. The next thing I'm using is this collagen booster. I'm pretty sure this is like an anti-aging product. However, it's never too early to start with your anti-aging, and also collagen is just like good for your skin anyways because collagen is like what's gonna give your skin that like plumpness. I don't really know if this does anything. The next thing I go in with is my First Aid Beauty Niacinamide Eye Cream. I used to only use this during the day because it's like a tinted eye cream. My dark circles are pretty bad. You can't tell because of the lighting right here, like shining directly at them. I don't know if you can see, but they're like pretty dark. Niacinamide is known for like brightening, but I've been using it at night recently and I find that I wake up with like way less dark circles. This is my CeraVe moisturizer. Still don't know how to say it. It is my favorite moisturizer of all time. No, it's not, but it's the only moisturizer now that I can justify like buying. I don't know what it is about it, but I just love Tatcha's moisturizers. They're literally like $90 and it's like, I don't need that. This one works perfectly fine and it is so much less expensive. I'm in my bed. I just have to shut my lights off and kind of wait for my hair to dry a little bit. But besides that, I'm pretty much ready for bed. I don't know what time it is. It's currently 10:38, so I feel like this was a productive day, but also not really at all. This definitely wasn't the most productive of my days, but obviously this is just like one day, one single afternoon, nighttime like routine. Every single day is different. I don't have like a steady routine because like my life is always changing and I always have different things that I like need to do. I don't know, this was just tonight's. I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys are interested in getting a super soft, silky, smooth legs like me, and you guys are interested in getting my favorite razor ever, you guys can use the first link in the description box to get your super affordable starter kit with Billie. I promise you guys, you won't regret it. They're actually really nice razors. All right, you guys, I will see you next time. Good night.